Welcome to this tutorial guide on publishing your work for the Dental Technologists Association. The Dental Technologists Association is a professional representative body for dental technologists, whether qualified or in training. At the DTA, we are continuously trying to find new and exciting articles from all areas of the dental technology field, which are then published in the Technologist and Articulate, giving valuable CPD. Our vision is to enhance the knowledge of the profession for future generations. Initial thoughts of writing an article are often quite daunting. You often hear people say, "I am not good enough to write an article," or "I don't know where to begin." Hopefully this step-by-step guide will give you the confidence to write an article for one of our publications. So, are you up for the challenge? Congratulations on getting this far. The following slides are a step-by-step guide of how to draft an article for the DTA to publish. By working your way through, you will feel confident and able to share your work and be published in one of our publications. You do great work, so why not share it with colleagues across the country? First, make a plan of the main points you want to cover and identify the images to go with them. Or if you would prefer to share a walkthrough of your work, take images of the step-by-step production process of an appliance you have manufactured and write a sentence underneath explaining what you did and at that point. This then creates a flow and a base for your article. Write your article within a Word document. It should be a maximum of 8 pages and a minimum of 2. Do not worry if the article is only a couple of pages. Every article is different. The more images, the better. Use font size 12, preferably Arial or Times New Roman. Begin with a title, name of the authors or any co-authors, and an email address for contact. The article should be single line spaced. Create a short opening overview to the article, which highlights what the article is going to be about. For example, this article will highlight the fabrication of an implant retained denture. Next, write the main body of text for the article. Include images as they are key for any publication, especially when it is in relation to a technique. As they say, a picture can explain 1,000 words. Include these within your article. Make sure they are good quality, high resolution, and not blurred. A maximum of 15 images can be used for each publication. In terms of referencing, not all articles require references, so don't worry. But if you are referencing, use the Harvard referencing style. If you are citing a book, for example, in the text of your article, you place the name, year, and page number as the example shown within this presentation. If you are citing a journal article, in the text of your article, you place the name of the author and the year. If it's more than 3 authors, use the first 3 names and then et al. Follow the example as shown within this presentation. But please remember, not all articles require references, especially if it's a step-by-step case study or a personal communication. Acknowledgements. Always include any acknowledgements, e.g. colleagues who have worked with you on the article or the appliance that you are writing about. Aims and CPD questions. Draft some aims and CPD outcomes that reflect what your article is trying to convey. We have provided an example on the right-hand side to illustrate this. Do your best. If you're unsure, have a go, and a member of our editorial team will help out. In relation to CPD questions, draft between 5 to 10 CPD questions. These should be of multiple choice questions. 5 questions for articles of 750 words or less, and 10 questions for articles of more than 750 words. Always give 4 possible answers, e.g. A, B, C, and D. Again, if there's any problems with these, we can help you always through the process. So what next? Once completed, send the article to the editorial team at editorial@dta-uk.org. We will then get back to you after it has been reviewed. During this process, the editorial team may ask you some questions in relation to your article and that you are happy with any of these alterations. Then you send back your article to the editorial team. Just sit back and we will do the rest and get the article sorted for publication, and we will update you throughout the process. Remember, we are always here to help. Please always contact us by email with any questions and we will get back to you. We are here for each step of the process when writing an article for the Dental Technologists Association.